The destructive testing here is starting with the DI-65. DI-65 is normally just eyeball graded. Some DI-65 is much stronger than others, can be quite a variation in the products. This piece we're looking at here looks like it's starting to crack already, about 1,100 pounds. At 1,200 pounds, it's gone. Second is a laminated LVL, laminated veneer lumber. This piece is E-modulus of 2100. It's one of the top of the line boards. We've already got over 1,000 pounds, 1,500 pounds. We're up to around 1,800 pounds. We see starting to have a little problem there with the upper laminate. We had a failure and the needle dropped back to where it was holding no pressure. There's that board laid down to see what it will hold under a worker. If a worker had been on that board, he would have been on the ground. The third board we're going to test is the Pin-Lok scaffold plank by Indian Mill. This board is the same. We're doing 7-foot span testing with center point loading, doing absolute worst case loading in a heavy scaffold environment. If you have a vessel or brick or heavy things coming and going, whether it's intentional or not, you need the center point, the worst case testing to be sure what you have. We've already passed 1,000, 1,500. We're right at 2,000 pounds pressure on this board at this time. The Pin-Lok is a multiple piece board. It's like a butcher block effect you have on it. You have grains of wood going different directions, dispersing the shock, dispersing the pressure. Things like this give it the extra load. Right at 2,700 pounds, you see the center board is cracking. 2,750, the center board broke. And now we have that board down with the worker on it. Have it down with the worker, see if he can finish the board off. Now the center board is broke on that board. That board on a job site, you should get rid of it after it's had that problem. But now the fellows are starting to jump on it to see if they can finish it off. These boards are made so that acids or alkalis or rot hits a job, boards get old, whatever. That center board is to go first to give you a warning to get off of it. Very good safety option. There's no other plank in the business that has a safety factor built into it. Now we got two guys, they're bouncing on it. Now we're getting three workers on the board. Cumulative weight there, well over 600. They're not able to finish it off. The two outside boards are still holding. So you saw the needle when the thing cracked. The needle did not drop, so you're still holding like 1,800 pounds on that board with the center of it broken.